you are on your way to the top and not everyone can come. A blockage has been removed and you are on your way to career success, to financial stability, to having that stability within self, first and foremostly, to then be able to go out there and achieve financial stability. You have felt very stuck for a long time, and I'm hearing that Spirit put you in timeout. You know, Spirit wanted you to go through a period of undoings, you know, releasing the need for control and letting go of things that you thought were important to you. And when you look back on the situation, you realize in the grand scheme of things, they weren't really important. You're starting to learn that your happiness and the people around you are what is important. Your health, your mental, your spiritual well-being are all important to you. And I feel like you're going through, or you went through, a time of deep introspection, and some of you gained therapy, some of you are getting therapy, some of you are journaling, some of you are doing your own shadow work. You're going within and you're looking at what needs to be released, what needs to be healed. This is a time of undoing. You're facing the reality of certain situations and you're going to come out so much better. Your future's bright and it's full of many possibilities. Those manifestations that you have written down will come into fruition. Excuse me. And Spirit's urging some of you that if you haven't manifested recently, what are you waiting for? You are very creative. Some of you are songwriters. Some of you are artists. And even if you're not those things that I mentioned, you are extremely creative, especially with your hands. And Spirit wants you to embrace this gift, these gifts that they have given to you. And these gifts could be in regards to self-expression. Some of you can dance. Some of you can sing. Spirit wants you to get in touch with your inner child and embrace the new. Things may not feel as glamorous and fun right now, but things will change. Excuse me. Spirit wants you to keep the faith and to connect with your inner child. Do something that you always wanted to do when you were younger. Spirit wants you to focus on your self-love. Do things that make you feel happy. Do things that make you feel good. This is a time for transformation. And you're going towards a brighter future. And again, like I mentioned, certain people can't go where you're going. You are a boss. You are a leader. You are very powerful. And unfortunately, you were met with very negative bosses who feared your power. And you didn't even know that you were intimidating these people, but they could see the power within you. And Spirit wants you to start recognizing the power within you. Not to be conceited and, you know, thinking that you're better than people. Nah. Excuse me. Spirit wants you to know your worth. Because you may have felt quite shocked, like, why, like, these people in leadership positions, why are they coming up against me? It's because they see the leader within you and they're thinking, they're going to take my job. They're going to take my job. Because you move like a boss, regardless of what position you have. And some of you in this life are destined to work for yourself. And one of the reasons why you had a lot of bosses who tried you, who tried to sabotage you, who bullied you, etc., was because they, without realizing it, were steering you into a path that is one whereby you should be actually working for yourself. You in this life should be self-employed. You should be hiring workers. You don't see yourself in the light that you are in, for some of you. But Spirit wants you to know that use this time for self-improvement. Start loving on yourself more. Start pouring into yourself. Start treating yourself. Start taking yourself out. Start treating yourself the way you want to be treated. And stop settling. Stop settling for what you don't desire, who you don't desire. And stand in your power. Start investing in you. Some of you, unfortunately, we've all been there, have accepted things, attention from individuals that we don't really connect to, but because at the time we may not see our worth. The validation that we gain from others, for whatever reason, filled us up for a short time. But these connections were not lucrative. They were not authentic. And they didn't feel good because they weren't a match. And that's why Spirit is saying stop seeking outside of yourself and start seeking within yourself. And soon enough, whatever you give to yourself will return tenfold from the right places, people, situations, and opportunities. You're moving away from toxic people. It's like your energy is going to repel certain people that you may have entertained before in the past. It's like you're starting to see through the facade. You're starting to see life differently. You're the type of leader whereby you're not about trying to block and sabotage others. You're the type of leader that sees the power within another and helps them to rise. You want everyone to win. And that's why you're always going to win. And that's why you're always going to be loved. And that's why you're always going to be that guy. You're always going to be that girl. Start seeing yourself the way other people see you. And once you do, then you will act accordingly. Then you won't allow certain people around your energy. Your energy is not to be played with. You command attention. Your energy speaks volumes. It's loud, even if you're quiet. You possess a lot of power. People are intimidated by you. What are you going to do next? Mr. Still your girl. Mr. Still my man. Jolie. And it's not even that. You need to start seeing yourself the way other people see you. And yeah, you're that smeg symbol. And some of you are like, me? And Spirit's like, yes, you. And because of your talents and skills and charisma, you're going to go far. But you have to start believing in you. You're going to get groupies. You're going to have fans. But they won't distract you. And some people will try and throw you off. Some people who are threatened by you will try and maybe team up with other people who are jealous of you, and they will try and throw you off. You may get some people that may try and distract you by being suggestive, and they have nothing to offer. They will want to experience you for their own selfish reasons. But you won't let that distract you. Again, you may have some people that are, I mean gatekeepers. Gatekeepers in a sense because they may want to align with you for clout because they know that you're going to the top. And if you're at the top already, you're going even higher. And you may get people that are going to be quite angry about this because these are the types of people that try to get to the top by default, but that ain't your business. You stay true to your course, and first and foremost, you stay true to yourself, and that's why you're always going to win. And some people will feel like it's not fair. It is fair. Spirit is just going to be blessing you because you put out a lot into the world, and it's only right that you get that back. Nothing was handed to you. You work for everything that you have. And there's so much abundance and blessings in store for you. So yeah, you may get people wanting to compete with you, wanting to align with you, befriend you, date you for clout reasons. Because they know, like, they ain't going where you're going. And they're right. So any type of clout chasing that they're going to try and do in this area of your life, it's not going to work. Because you're going towards a new cycle. You're stepping into a new timeline of success, power and victory. Self-mastery, first and foremostly. Congratulations. You deserve it. You or the people of the signs could be Taurus, Pisces, Leo, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Leo, Capricorn, Pisces, Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, Leo again, Aries. Go get 'em.